How to check and change your country on Steam. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily check and change your country in Steam. It's quick and easy, so without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the Steam app on your laptop and also make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are inside the Steam, simply tap on your email tab shown at the top left side of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on Profile. And now, once you are in a profile, simply tap on the option labeled as Edit Profile right there. And after that, simply scroll down to find the location section. And here you can easily check your country. But as of now, I haven't selected my country yet. So to select or change the country, you simply need to click on the country tab. Now choose your new country from the list, and once you have chosen that, simply select the province. And once you're done with selecting the province, at last pick your city. And once you're done all with that, simply scroll down a little bit and click on save. And after that, you can go back to your profile and your updated country and location will now be visible. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.